Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing how to do gel nails. I took it upon myself to find a gel kit on AliExpress's website and found Lina's Professional UV Gel Kit. The kit includes 11 items within the product package. The entire package originally was $5.99 as stated on the website, and shipping is $7.45, which in total came out to $13.44. I received the kit within 2 weeks of delivery. As you can see, the items from the original packaging came in a transparent plastic bag instead of the box. It came with a pink butterfly nail file, a number 4 nail gel brush, a few gold nail forms, white plastic nail tips, nail glue, Lina's gel cleanser, 4 of the Lina gel builders, which are pink, clear, white, and 1 extra clear gel builder, and a UV gel top coat. First and always wash your hands and fully dry them. Let's begin by prepping the nails, beginning with the small finger. Trim the nails from the sides gently. Filing the nails with a stainless steel nail file. The pink file could have been used, but this was my choice. Gently push back the cuticle. Carefully remove the cuticle with the cuticle nippers. Buff the nail, brushing off excess nail residue. Now that the nail is prepped, I will apply the nail dehydrator. Then lightly applying primer. Make sure it does not touch the cuticle. Then let the primer dry out from the nail. Now going to apply the nail form onto the nail around the finger. I'm removing the middle center of the sticker and placing it underneath the nail form, bending it just a bit for flexibility. Make sure you apply it firmly. Now that the nail form is now firmly applied around the finger, we are going to use Lina's Gel Clear Gel Builder. I'm going to use a glass container, and here I pour some of the gel cleanser within the glass container. Priming the gel brush to soften it. With the lint-free wipe, we're going to swipe the liquid onto the lint-free wipe. Now dipping the gel brush just a bit into the gel. Swirling it around a bit due to its goopy heavy-like texture. And I'm trying to swerve off some of the gel carefully due to its heavy goop material. Applying the gel very lightly onto the tip of the nail in between the nail form. And now I'm covering the entire nail, being careful not to touch the cuticle. I am now going to set the LED UV lamp to 60 seconds. Finished curing. Now I am going to cleanse the nail with the gel cleanser. I'm gonna wipe off all that gel residue with the lint-free wipe. A thin layer is now created. And we'll begin removing the nail form. Now with OPI's 220 by 280 nail buffer, I am smoothing out the nail surface and removing the shine of the cured gel. Now I'm cleansing off the dust. Picking up and swirling off the excess gel, I am applying the gel for the second time. But this time with the circular motion above the nail to add thickness, including the sidewalls and tip. You just want to get the right consistency to add a little bit more over the middle section of the nail. As you see, I'm just swirling until I get my desired consistency. You always want to make sure that the nail is just thick enough for durability. Alright, now we're going to remove some of the excess gel from the sides with the French nail brush. Okay, we're just going to remove it with some pure acetone. And go back and forth. Now curing the nail again for 60 seconds and removing the gel again. Now buffing over the nail. And now we have our desired thickness and length. Now I'm going to cut off the tip with the nail cutter. Now I'm going to be filing the nails with the stainless steel file. Using the electric nail drill to even out the nails even more. Again, I am buffing out all the nails for a smoother surface. Brushing off the dust. I will be applying the Lina UV top coat over the nails now. Remember, you don't want to put too much, just a thin layer is enough. Curing the nails again by 60 seconds. Now cleansing each nail. Here is the finished look. The gel material gives the nails a more clear like glass look than it would be on acrylic nails. And you can apply some cuticle oil as well for a even more smoother shiny look. As for my review of this product package, it seems to be alright for beginners that want to learn how to apply gel extension sculpture nails, because it comes with some basic necessary items, but I did notice that this product did need more items and mainly a instructions booklet, at least for proper application. The package needed bonder, lint-free wipes, and a liquid container to place the gel cleansing liquid. It would have been nice to have extra items that would have provided to prep the nails for the application process, such as the cuticle pusher, nail trimmer, and nail buffer. The rest I had to provide myself, as you had seen in the video. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you all, or at least some of you, enjoyed watching it for instructional purposes. If you liked the video, please leave one for this video and subscribe for more future content. And please don't forget to click on the little notification bell for notifications. Y'all take care now. Bye!